Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about coal and petroleum from Chapter 3, Class 8 CBSE syllabus. Children, now let us discuss the definition of coal. Coal is a type of fossil fuel that has been used for cooking food, produced steam, to run railway engines, generating the electricity in power plants, and to run different industries. When a coal is produced in industry, we can get some useful products like coke, coal tar, and coal gas. Coal consists the hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen and sulfur in small amount. Children, let us discuss about coal. Black colored coal is a fossil fuel that is mined from the earth and utilized for variety of fuel needs. Coal is a sedimentary rock that is primarily made up of a carbon and it is combustible. Composition coal is a black or brownish black rock that is more than 50% carbon by weight and more than 70% of volume. It also contains hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and nitrogen. Children, let us discuss the formation of coal. Coal is formed when the dead plants and matter submerged in swamp environment is subjected to the geological forces of heat and pressure over millions of years. Over a time, the planet matter transforms from moist, low carbon pit to coal and energy and carbon dense black or brownish black sedimentary rock. Plant matters in ancient swamps gained ferns and other plants grew in dense forest. When this plant died, they sank to the bottom of the swamps. Now let us discuss about peat. Peat is a partially decomposed plant material that is used as a black fibrous fuel. It is the initial phase of a coal formation. Now burial. Burial over a time layers of dirt and water converted the peat, compacting it under the weight. The heat and the pressure from the weight of the sediment and from the mountain formation transformed the pit into the coal. Children, now let us discuss about the carbonization. The gradual process of coal formation from dead vegetation is known as carbonization. Carbon is the dominant element of coal. Since it is formed from plants, it is also considered as an organic fuel. Children, now let us discuss the types of coal. There are four major types of coal like anthracite, bituminous, subbituminous, and lignite. This classification depends on the types of amounts of carbon present in that coal. The carbon is the major compound that produces the heat when it burns. Children, now let us discuss about anthracite. The highest rank of coal, it is a hard, brittle and black lustrous coal, often referred to as a hard coal, containing a high percentage of fixed carbon and a low percentage of volatile matter. Children, let us discuss the characteristic of anthracite coal. Anthracite coal is also known as hard coal and has highest carbon content and lowest volatile matter, 2.12% of all the coals. It is difficult to hygienate and produces brief blue smokeless flame. Formation of this anthracite coal is under intense pressure and temperature of over millions of years through a process called carbonization. Uses of anthracite coal, commercial applications due to its high heat production and non-liquoring properties. Location: anthracite coal is relatively rare. It is found in the Appalachian region, northeastern Pennsylvania, South Africa, Australia, East Ukraine, West Canada, and China. Children, now let us discuss about bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is a type of coal that is the most abundant and second highest quality coal. It is characterized by its high carbon content and ability to produce a large amount of heat when burned. Here are some properties of bituminous coal. The color of bituminous coal is black or dark brown in color. It often has well defined bands of bright and dull materials within the seams. Composition. The bituminous coal contains a tar-like substance called bitumen or asphalt. It has high carbon content, usually between 40 to 80%. It also has a low moisture content, usually lesser than 3%. Bituminous coal is used for electrical power generation in the steel industry and in the production of coke and gas. Formation of bituminous coal from subbituminous coal that is buried deeply enough to be heated at 85 degrees temperature for higher. Safety. The extraction of bituminous coal requires high safety procedures because it releases large amount of fire damp and dangerous mixture of gases. Subbituminous coal is black in color and it is mainly dull, and subbituminous coal is a type of a coal that is used for electricity generation and space heating. It is black in color and has a low to moderate heating value. Subbituminous coal is also known as black lignite. Children, now let us discuss the lignite coal. The lignite coal is a type of a coal that is brown in color, soft and has a high moisture content. It is also known as brown coal and it is considered as low grade coal. The lignite is formed when a plant material partially decomposes over millions of years under high pressure and temperature in an airless moisture. Here are some characteristics of lignite coal. Carbon content. The lignite coal contains more than 60% of carbon. Lignite coal has a low heating value and uses of lignite coal is mainly in electricity generation and for domestic uses. Children, let us discuss the uses of coal. Coal has many uses including to produce electricity in thermal power plants. It is used as a fuel for cooking. It is used in the production of cement, carbon fires and farms. Let us discuss the few types of uses from the coal. Electricity generation. Coal is burned in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Steel production. Coal is used to make coal coke, which is then used to smelt iron ore into iron and steel. Cement production. Coal is used in the production of cement. Heating. Coal is used for home and commercial heating also. Transportation fuel. Coal can be used as a transportation for trains and ships. Manufacturing. Coal is used in the preparation of dyes, paints, drugs, explosives and plastics. Silicon metal. Coal is used to make a silicon metal which is used to make lubricants, water repellents, resins, cosmetics, hair shampoos and toothpaste. Carbon fires and farms. Coal is used in the production of carbon fires and farms, and coal is useful for the production of gas. Children, let us discuss the byproducts of coal. When the coal is proposed in the industry, we can get some useful products like coke, coal tar and coal gas as mentioned below. Let us discuss what is coke. The coke is a black colored substance and pure form of carbon used for manufacturing steel and extraction of material. Characteristics of coke is the purest form of carbon, black, porous and tough. It is obtained by burning coal in the absence of air. When coke is burned, it does not produce smoke. The production of coke is purest form of carbon. Already we discussed that, porous and tough. It obtained by burning of coal in the air. Uses of coke. We uses coke as cooking, heating, manufacturing steel, extracting materials, producing electricity and as reducing agent in iron ore or melting. Here are some of more details about coke. Coke is made from low ash, low sulfur, bituminous coal. When we burn coke produces a little no smoke. Coke was previously used in steam engines for rail transportation. Fuel. Coke is used as a fuel for furnaces, fires, and blacksmithing. Reducing agent. Coke is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of materials like zinc and iron. Gas production. Coke is used to produce gases like producer gas and gases. Carbides. Coke is used to produce carbides like aluminum carbide, calcium carbide, and silicon carbide. Steel manufacturing. Coke is used in the manufacturing of steel and other materials. Electrodes. Coke is used as in the manufacturing of electrodes. Ink. Coke is used in the manufacturing of ink. Coke is used as a filler of rubber filter also. Children, now let us discuss about coal tar. Coal tar is derived from coal. It is a byproduct of the production of coke. A solid fluid contains mostly a carbon and coal gas. It is a mixture of around 200 substances, mainly aromatic hydrocarbons, and contain benzene, naphthalene, phenols, and aniline. Coal tar is a thick, black, viscous liquid that is a byproduct of process of making coal and coal gas. Formation of coal tar is created when coal is heated to high temperatures in the absence of air, a process called destructive distillation. This process breaks down the coal into various compounds including coal tar, coal gas, and coke. Composition. The coal tar is a complex mixture of organic compounds including aromatic hydrogen carbons, phenols, and heterocyclic compounds. Has many uses including manufacturing. Coal tar is used to make synthetic dyes, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastic paints, photographic materials, and roofing materials. Coal tar is a byproduct of coke producing that has many uses including skincare. Coal tar is used to treat skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dandruff. It is also an agent ingredient in medicated shampoos and soap that treat dandruff and kill lice. Paints and dyes. Coal tar is used to make paints, synthetic dyes, and photographic material. Coal tar is used to make explosives and drugs. Perfumes. Coal tar is used to make perfumes. Coal tar is used to make plastics also. Coal tar is used to make roofing materials, naphthalene balls. Even coal tar is used to make naphthalene balls which repels moths and other insects. Coal tar is used to make road surfaces, and it is used to protect and beautify pavements and to make sparkling plot steel coat productions. Coal tar is flammable and it is used for heating graphite industry. In graphite industry, it is used as binders of graphite blocks. Coal tar is a highly viscous liquid which an unpleasant smell. Children, now let us discuss about coal gas. Coal gas is a flammable gas that is a mixture of gases including hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. It is produced by heating coal in the absence of air, a process called destructive distillation. Coal gas is used as a fuel in power plants to generate electricity. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London in 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays, it is used as source of heat rather than a light. Uses of coal gas including the following. Lighting. Coal gas was used for street lighting and home illuminations until electricity became more widely available. Heating. Coal gas was used for heating homes and industrial process. Cooking. Coal gas was used for cooking. Fuel. Coal gas was used as a fuel for industrial process which as metalworking and glass making. Electricity. Coal gas can be used to produce electricity which can be used in coal mine or fed into a public power grid.